Hello everyone, welcome back to Miss Morning Muse, your favorite channel to learn English easily and confidently. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about something that every learner dreams of: how to speak English fluently without hesitation. Many of you understand English. You can read and write well, but when it is time to speak, you suddenly go blank, feel nervous, or forget the right words. Don't worry, that's very common. And today, I will help you overcome it step by step. Let's start by understanding the problem. The main reason we hesitate while speaking English is fear. Fear of making mistakes, fear of being judged, and fear of not sounding perfect. But here's the truth. Nobody speaks perfectly at first. Every fluent speaker you admire once made the same mistakes. Fluency is not about being perfect. It's about being comfortable while speaking. So the first rule is stop worrying about mistakes and start speaking. Now the first important tip to improve fluency is to think in English. Most learners translate every sentence from their mother tongue into English before speaking, and that takes time. For example, you may think in Hindi or Bengali first, then translate it into English. By the time you do that, the conversation has already moved on. Instead, try to think directly in English. Start small. Think about what you are doing. I am cooking, I am getting ready, I am watching TV, and etc. Make this a daily habit, and slowly your brain will start forming English sentences naturally. The second tip is to practice speaking every day. Speaking is like exercise. If you don't practice, you won't improve. You don't always need a partner. You can practice it by yourself. Stand in front of a mirror and talk about your day. Say, "Today I woke up early. I made breakfast. Then I watched a video to learn English." Describe your actions, your thoughts, your plans, anything. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. Remember, your tongue, lips, and mind need training to work together while speaking English smoothly. The third tip is to listen more. Listening helps you understand how native speakers use pronunciation, rhythm, and tone. Watch English movies, listen to podcasts, and follow English-speaking YouTubers. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Focus on catching the main idea. Try to repeat short phrases after them. For example, if you hear "What's going on?" say it aloud just like they do. Listening is the foundation of fluency. The fourth tip is to learn common sentence instead of only grammar rules. Grammar is important, but fluency comes from using language naturally. Instead of memorizing tenses, learn useful sentence structure like I am going to, can I have, I would like to, I don't feel like, and so on. These are ready-made phrases that you can use in daily conversation. The more you use them, the more fluent you will sound. Next, expand your vocabulary but smartly. You don't need thousands of fancy words. Focus on words you can use in everyday life. For example, learn phrases for daily situations like shopping, traveling, or talking about your feelings. Keep a small notebook or Use your phone to note down new words. Try to use each new word in a sentence the same day. For instance, if you learn the word confident, say, I feel confident speaking English now. Using new words helps you remember them better. Another key tip is to practice English with others. Try to join an English speaking group online or in your local area. You can even find a speaking partner who is also learning. Speak together for 5 to 10 minutes every day. If that is not possible, talk to yourself. You can record your voice on your phone, listen to it, and notice your pronunciation and tone. Over time, you will see your improvement. Let's talk about overcoming hesitation. Many people hesitate because they are afraid of being judged at or corrected. But remember, people respect those who try. Making mistakes is a sign that you are learning something new. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. So whenever you feel stuck, take a deep breath, pause, and continue. Don't stop your sentences. Just try to explain it in another way. For example, if you forget the word delicious, say the food tastes really good. Communication is more important than perfection. The next step is to improve your pronunciation and rhythm. You don't need an American or British accent to sound good. Just focus on speaking clearly. Pronounce every word completely. Record short sentences like my name is, I like to learn English, I am happy today, and listen to how you sound. Notice which words you say too fast or too softly. Then repeat until it feels natural. Reading aloud from books, newspapers, or even English story scripts helps a lot. Another useful trick is shadowing. It means listening to an English audio or video and repeating what you hear immediately, like an echo. It trains your mouth and brain to coordinate in real time. Try shadowing short dialogues from movies or English lessons every day for 10 minutes. It's one of the fastest ways to build fluency. Now, let's talk about confidence. The more confident you are, the smoother your English becomes. But confidence doesn't appear overnight. It comes with practice. Celebrate small wins. If you spoke one full sentence in English today, appreciate yourself. If you ordered food or asked a question in English, that is your progress. Every small step makes you stronger. Also, create an English environment around can help you to speak English better. Change your phone setting into English, watch YouTube videos in English, and read simple English books or posts. Surround yourself with the language so your brain gets used to it. It's like living in an English world, even if you are at home. Let me give you a short daily routine to practice fluency. In the morning, you can read one paragraph of an English article aloud. In the afternoon, watch a 5-minute English video and repeat the key phrases aloud. In the evening, speak about your day in English for 5 minutes. If you follow this daily, you will notice a huge improvement within a few weeks. Now remember, fluency doesn't mean speaking fast. It means speaking smoothly and confidently. Take your time, use pauses, and let your ideas flow. Don't rush your words. When you are relaxed, your sentences come out naturally. Before we finish, here are a few bonus tips for you. Don't memorize long grammar rules. Practice real sentences. Watch English content with subtitles, then without subtitles. Repeat phrases daily until they sound natural. Record your voice every week to track your progress. Speak English with a smile. It shows confidence and friendliness. So, my friends, speaking English fluently without hesitation is completely possible. You just need patience, practice, and positivity. Remember, every time you speak, you are one step closer to fluency. Thank you so much for watching today's lesson on Miss Morning Muse. I hope you learned something new and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends who also want to speak English confidently. I will see you in the next class with another exciting English speaking topic. Until then, keep smiling, keep practicing, and keep speaking English with confidence. Bye-bye.